Jerry Barbour, Barbour's Towing and Truck Service out of Raleigh, North Carolina. A 1075 rotator, 2021 W900 Kenworth. We've been in business for 27 years now. Third generation, which is over 50 plus years here in Raleigh. Command light tower overhead, 12 volt, power up, power down. We've had a lot of success with this light tower. It works really well for us. Be able to light up the wreck scenes when we're out there, especially when the fire department leaves. All your lighting goes away. With these new trucks, you need to get up and get the light shining down so you're not blocking with shadows or right straight out the side of you, so it's more of a downward light. And back in the snow and ice, we had an ambulance go off a 100-foot embankment in Wendell, North Carolina, and we pulled right up to the scene, brought the light tower up, pointed it down over the embankment. We were able to work that embankment, and the obstacle was bringing that ambulance and our crew back up safely with that light tower. A lot of times we go out if we need lighting and not use the truck, we just go out and use the lighting to light the scene for our company or other companies just to assist the lighting. The years we've been in business on these trucks, and yes, it has paid for itself and pays for itself over and over again. If not with money, at least with being able to be able to see obstacles and just different stumps, holes, sharp edges, and things like that that you wouldn't be able to see with normal lighting. It's up quick and down quick. It's responsive and it's very bright lighting to be 12 volt. I like it because it's compact. It's not as big and bulky as some light bars, and it's very lightweight as well.